Exploring Seoul's Jungbu Market, the ultimate Korean dried seafood shopping adventure. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Seoul, to explore one of the city's most famous traditional markets, Jungbu Market. This place is a hidden gem, packed with an incredible selection of dried seafood that both locals and savvy tourists love. From dried anchovies to seaweed, we'll be touring the market, getting some great deals, and sharing top shopping tips. Let's go check it out. Introduction to Jungbu Market. Jungbu Market is one of Seoul's oldest and most iconic traditional markets. Specializing in dried seafood, this market has been around for decades and is still bustling with energy. Locals come here to stock up on everything from dried anchovies, seaweed, squid, and shrimp, key ingredients in Korean cuisine. And the best part? The prices are unbeatable compared to supermarkets. You can see here the wide selection of dried anchovies, all sorted by size. These are a must-have for Korean soups and stews. But the small ones are great for making stir-fried side dishes, called myeolchi. Bakam, a sweet and savory snack that's crunchy and addictive. Product and price breakdown. Now let's talk prices, because that's what makes Jungbu Market such a fantastic spot for shoppers. For example, you can get 500 grams of anchovies for anywhere between 7,000 to 15,000 Korean won depending on size. Dried seaweed jjim, which is essential for making Korean sushi rolls. Bibimbap, or just as a crispy snack, is priced around 10,000 Korean won per kilogram. Squid, perfect for snacks or cooking, ranges from 3,000 to 5,000 Korean won per piece. And don't forget the dried shrimp. These tiny gems are perfect for adding flavor to soups, fried rice, or even ramen. You can grab 500 grams for just around 15,000 Korean won. The vendors here are super friendly, and if you ask, they'll often let you taste before you buy. How to get to Jungbu Market? Wondering how to get here? It's super easy. Jungbu Market is conveniently located just a 5-minute walk from Yuljiro 4Ga station on Line 2 of the Seoul subway. That makes it accessible from pretty much anywhere in the city. Whether you're staying in Gangnam, Myeongdong, or Hongdae, you can easily make a quick stop here during your day of exploring. As you walk through the narrow streets leading to the market, you'll immediately feel the vibrant, lively atmosphere of a traditional Korean marketplace. The smell of dried seafood fills the air, and you'll see locals haggling for the freshest goods. It's an authentic experience you won't want to miss. Shopping tips and must-buy items. When you're shopping at Jungbu Market, there are a couple of pro tips you should keep in mind. First, don't be afraid to haggle. The more you buy, the better the price you can negotiate. Vendors here are used to bargaining, so if you're buying in bulk, ask for a discount. Second, check the freshness. Although most of the seafood here is dried, it's always a good idea to look closely at the quality and, if possible, take a whiff to make sure it's fresh. Now, let me give you a few recommendations on must-buy items. Seasoned seaweed jjim. These are light, crispy, and make a great snack on the go. Or a perfect gift for friends and family. Trust me, everyone loves this savory treat. Dried anchovies myeolchi. You can use these to make a rich, umami-filled broth, or stir-fry them for a tasty side dish. They last forever, so grab a pack to take home. Dried squid. This is a popular Korean snack, especially if you love pairing it with beer. The salty, chewy texture is so satisfying, and it's also perfect for road trips or flights. Pro tip: these dried seafood items are lightweight and long-lasting, making them ideal souvenirs to take back home. Plus, they pack a punch in flavor, so you can try recreating your favorite Korean dishes wherever you are. So that was our adventure at Jungbu Market. I had so much fun exploring the stalls and picking up some delicious dried seafood. If you want to try cooking authentic Korean dishes or just looking for unique gifts, this market is the perfect spot. And remember, it's not just about shopping. It's about experiencing a part of Seoul's vibrant culture and history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.